So we start off today's video with this hair color transformation. The stylist does a nice cut and color change for this. Wow, look at those curls. Absolutely stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we see a color change. Ooh, very nice dimensional blonde. And a gorgeous tousled bob haircut. Very nice. This color looks absolutely amazing. And then we move into the next transformation. Very nice bob haircut with pops of blonde. Great way to try out some color. Such a cute vibe with that hairstyle. And then we have a bob haircut with bangs. Now bobs with bangs are very popular this year. We're seeing many different variations with the bottleneck, the curtain bang, and then of course fringe and blunt bang styles as well. So it looks like he did more of like a curtain bang look for this one. And then we have another bob haircut. So he did kind of like a pixie bob variation for this style. Very trendy look as well. Oh, a very nice pink color change with a bit of a buzz cut. Very nice. Then we have another fresh mini bob style. This one has a bit of a tousled look to it with the curls. And then we have a hair color transformation. Mixing in some layers with the cutting. Oh, very nice money piece highlights. Kind of did like an ash blonde. This is absolutely stunning. I think the layers look great. Very nicely done. So I hope that you guys were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.